Hey guys, thank you for coming and watching my video. I wanted to give this little introduction to say that this is a very short video that took a very long time to record due to loud cars, loud cats, loud sunglasses, and messy hair. So if you'd like to see some of that, stick around to the end and I'll show you some outtakes and bloopers. Enjoy! Hello and welcome back to Easy English with Mel. Oh, hi. I am Mel and I'm so happy to have you guys back here today because today we are learning about phrasal verbs. And I know that this has been a topic that you guys have asked me to do a video on for a really long time. So today I will do just that. Now I am going to start with just an introduction to phrasal verbs because I know that this subject can be a little overwhelming. So I want to have this introductory video for all of you that are new to phrasal verbs, and even maybe some of you that know about phrasal verbs but maybe you didn't quite learn everything. So you can start here and then eventually I'll move on to advanced phrasal verbs. Now, there are thousands of phrasal verbs, so I won't be spending any time listing off all the phrasal verbs because, as you know, that is just impossible to do, and it would be a huge waste of your time if you were just trying to memorize as many phrasal verbs as you could. Let's begin by talking about what is a phrasal verb. So what is it? It is a verb combined with either an adverb or a preposition. Now, to begin, I'm just going to be talking about verbs with prepositions because that's the examples that I'm using today. What makes phrasal verbs so interesting and fun, and you might be saying really ridiculous and complicated and difficult, is that they often have more than one meaning. So for instance, we could take the phrasal verb take off, right? So you know, like I could take off my jacket, I could take off my hat, but it also is used for, say you had a plane and it's going to take off, right? So whenever a plane is heading up into the sky, that is called takeoff. So you can see how that would be really confusing when you have two of the same words that mean two completely different things. Let's talk about how we can use these phrasal verbs. So let's stick with take off, right? So I had my sunglasses on at the beginning of the video, and what did I do? Or what am I doing? Let's do it in present progressive tense. What am I doing? I am taking off the sunglasses. I am taking off the sunglasses. Now, what if we were to take the noun, the sunglasses, and switch it for the pronoun them? And remember that sunglasses is a plural, right? Another one of those tricky things in English, but it is a plural, so we have to say them, not it, them. If we were to swap out the sunglasses for them, could we still use that sentence? I am taking off them. That doesn't sound right. That's because when you have the pronoun, you actually need to put it in between the verb and, in this case, the preposition. So how it should actually sound is I am taking them off. So in case you're wondering if you can use the noun, the sunglasses, in between the verb and the preposition, let's give it a try. I am taking the sunglasses off. That works. I am taking off the sunglasses. I am taking the sunglasses off. it works. It's perfect. All right, just remember that when you use the pronoun, it often needs to go in between the verb and the preposition. Let's try another example. I have a pen. It is a pen. And I can pick up the pen. Pick up the pen. Now, if we were to swap out the noun for the pronoun it, how would that sound? Pick up it. Doesn't sound quite right, does it? What about if we put it between? Pick it up. Yes. Now let's put it in present progressive. What are you doing? I am picking it up. Or I am picking up the pen. All right? So I hope that helps. That was just a really quick video to give you an idea on what phrasal verbs are and how you can use them in sentences. Tell me in the comments what your favorite phrasal verb is. And also, let me know if you have any questions. So when I do my next video, the more advanced video on phrasal verbs, that I can make sure to answer all of those questions. All right, thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you again later. So what makes phrasal verbs, go away, cat, two completely different. Well, I messed up my hair, but what I am taking, these are very, very squeaky. I have very crazy hair.